In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the purchase orders in Sage. As we can see here on 17th of January, it says raise purchase order to Mr. Sian. Now, who is Mr. Sian? Mr. Sian is our vendor. So we have given an order to our vendor. Let's see how we can deal with this in Sage. So from the main screen, on the left hand side, we have the vendors and purchases section where we will go to find all the activities regarding the vendors right here. First of all, just click on the purchase orders right here and click on new purchase order. As we can see, the interface is almost same for almost all the layouts, whether it's sales invoice, purchase invoice, sales order, purchase order. So let's choose Mr. Sian here. And the date of transaction is 17th of January. So let's make it 17th January. Goods should be delivered through 16 February 2025. Now, it is incorporated in the vendor's terms and conditions or delivery terms. You can customize it or change it if you want to. I'll keep it as it is and change the purchase order number to 49. Right here, 49. Quantity is 25. Item is Corolla windscreen. Let's choose that. And the ledger or GL account is already selected. Let's change or check the unit price. If it is okay, 25 multiplied by 400, which makes the total to 10,000. All good. Let's go to the second line. And here we have 30 quantity. The item is Civic headlights. So let's mention that. And the rate is 150. This makes the total to 4,500. All good. Let's move to the third item, and that is Prius wheel cups. So quantity is 20 and the item is Prius wheel cups. Let's select that. Just make sure of the prices, even though if it is popped up automatically, you just have to make sure that it is according to the project, because sometimes the prices might change with the different vendors. So this makes the total to 1,000 and all good. Just make sure that you check the amount once again. And after that, just click on save. And I'll not show you the journal entry because this is a purchase order. At the time we enter the purchase order, accounts is not affected because we had just ordered to the vendor. We haven't received anything. So there is no impact on accounting or debit and credit. So this is how we book the purchase orders in Sage. Just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.